Good day, everyone. We are the Group 3 and we are here to represent the electric potential and electric potential energy. Potential energy. It is the energy stored by an object because of its position relative to other objects. It is electric charge or other factors. Electric potential energy. It is defined as the total potential energy a unit charge possesses located at any point in outer space. It is measured in terms of joules denoted by V. Electric potential energy. Calculate the electric potential energy of a system with two charges. Q1 is equal to 2 times 10 to the power of -6 coulomb and Q2 is equal to -4 times 10 to the power of -6 coulomb separated by a distance of 0.05 meters. Assume that the system is in a vacuum. E is equal to 8.854 times 10 to the power of -12 coulomb to the power of 2 over Nm to the power of 2. U is equal to 1 over 4 pi PO and U1 and U2 to the power of D. U is equal to 1 over 4 pi and 8.854 times 10 to the power of -12 coulomb to the power of 2 over Nm to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times 10 to the power of -6 coulomb and -4 times 10 to the power of -6 coulomb over the distance 0.05 meter. U is equal to 8.987 times 10 to the power of 9 and to the power of 2 over coulomb to the power of 2. And -8 times 10 to the power of 12 coulombs to the power of 2 over the distance and equal to -1.438 times 10 to the power of -1 joules.
Electric potential B, formula method 1. What is the electric potential at a distance of 0.1 meter from a point charged 5 times 10 to the power of -6 coulomb? Use coulombs constant K equals 9.0 times 10 to the power of 9 and 10 to the power of 2 over coulomb to the power of 2. B equals K U over R. B equals 9.0 times 10 to the power of 9. 9 what? And 10 to the power of 2 over coulomb to the power of 2. 5 times 10 to the power of -6 coulomb over 0.1 meter. B equals 4.5 equals 8 times 10 to the power of 5. B electric potential B.
Electrostatic potential energy Q for two charges. Two point charges Q1 equals +2 times 10 raised to the power of -6 coulomb and Q2 equals -4 times 10 raised to the power of -6 coulomb are separated by distance of R equals 0.05 meter. Finding the electrostatic potential energy. U equals E times Q1 Q2 over R. Q1 equals 2x times raised 10 raised to the power of -6 coulomb. Q2 equals -4 times 10 raised to the power of -6 coulomb. R equals 0.05 meter. E equals 8 times 9 98755 times 10 raised to the power of 9 neutron times meter over C. Q equals 8.98755 times 10 raised to the power of 9 n times m squared over C squared times 2x then raised to the power of 26. -4x then raised to the -6 coulomb over 0.05 meter. U equals -1 joules.
The electric potential of a point charge. A point charge Q equals 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6 coulomb. Is located near another charge. Q equals 5 times 10 to the power of negative 6 coulomb. The distance between them is 0.1 meter. What is the electric potential energy? Electric potential energy at the distance R equals coulomb constant times charge times test charge over distance. Electric potential energy at the distance R equals 98,755 times 10 raised to the power of 9 Newton meter point per coulomb. Squared times 3 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 coulombs. The electric potential energy at the distance R equals 1.3048 joules.
Electric potential of a multiple charge U. U is equal to U12 plus U22 plus U13 is equal to K times Q1 and Q2 divided by R12 plus Q1 and Q2 divided by R23 plus Q1 and Q3 divided by R13. Three charges are at the vertices of an equilateral triangle with sides of length 0.1 meters and Q1 is equal to 1 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 coulombs. Q2 is equal to 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 coulombs. Then Q3 is equal to negative 1 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 coulombs. Find the total potential energy. So we have here U12 is equal to K times 1 microcoulombs times 2 microcoulombs and divided by 0.1 meters. It is equal to 0.18 joules. And we have U23 is equal to K times 2 microcoulombs and times by negative 1 microcoulombs divided by 0.1 meter is equal to negative 0.18 joules. We have here U13 is equal to K times 1 microcoulombs times negative 1 microcoulombs and divided by 0.1 meter is equal to negative 0.09 joules. So we have here the answer U is equal to U12 plus U23 plus U13 is equal to negative 0.09 joules.
Work done. W equals V1. We have here W equals Q times V2 minus V1 or W equals Q then VV minus VA. So we have here a charge Q equals 2 coulombs is moved from a point with potential V1 equals 100 degree to the point with potential V2 because you have to see how much work is done. So what W equals is 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 coulombs times 200 V minus 100 V equals to 2 times 10 raised to the power of 4 joules.
Electric potential difference. 5 joules of work is done to move a charge of 2 coulombs between 2 points. What is the potential difference? E equals 5 joules over 2 coulombs equals 2.5 electric potential.